When most people think about decluttering, they focus on the physical benefits, and understandably so. Owning less creates more space, it brings a sense of calm into our home, it reduces stress, it makes cleaning easier, and it helps you breathe a little deeper when you walk through the door. These are all important and often life-changing outcomes. But there's another benefit that often goes overlooked. Decluttering can significantly improve your finances. Now, at first, this might sound counterintuitive. After all, many people assume that if they get rid of things, they'll just have to spend money later replacing them. And some people make the faulty claim that you have to have money to become a minimalist. But in my experience, the exact opposite is true. You need a lot of money to buy a bunch of stuff that you don't need. You don't need a lot of money to own just what you do need. In fact, deciding to own less didn't increase our expenses at all. It helped us spend less and save more. Once you begin to live with intention, you begin to spend with intention too. The more we cleared our space, the more we noticed our habits, and as our home simplified, so did our relationship with money. Here are 3 ways decluttering helps you spend less and save more. Number 1, you see and use what you already have. Decluttering forces us to take inventory of our possessions, and that alone can be life-changing. How many half-used lotions are buried in the bathroom cabinet? How many duplicate kitchen gadgets sit unused in our drawers? How often have we bought something new only to realize later we already owned a perfectly good version of it? In fact, one survey found that households in America spend $2.7 billion every year replacing lost items. Even more staggering, over a lifetime, the average person will spend almost 4,000 hours, over 150 days, searching for misplaced things. When we declutter, we rediscover what we own, and so we can stop buying duplicate things. We also stop wasting time digging through clutter. You want to know better what you own? Get rid of the stuff you're not using. Number 2, you will learn through decluttering a new definition of enough. Maya Angelou once said, "We need much less than we think we need," and decluttering proves she's right. Decluttering does more than clear space. It changes our sense of what we need. The process helps us see that we've been living with more than we need this entire time. That must-have purchase, we forgot we owned it. The backup supplies, they were never used. With every box donated, we see proof. Owning less improves our lives. And once we internalize that, the urge to buy more and more starts to fade. We spend less because we've learned that enough was here all along. Contentment begins to grow where clutter once lived. And number 3, you begin to see through marketing messaging. Every day we are bombarded with ads telling us the same story. Buy this and you'll be happier. But decluttering reveals something very important, that those promises were false and empty all along. Once we've cleared our homes, we start to notice how often marketing preys on our insecurities and fears. That sale isn't saving us money, it's convincing us to spend our money. That trendy item didn't fill a void, it just created more clutter. Decluttering helps us recognize that happiness was never on sale at the department store. It was always in the things that money can't buy: faith, time with loved ones, peace in our spaces, and freedom. The more we declutter and detach ourselves from consumerism, the less power ads hold onto us. In this way, decluttering isn't an expense, it is an investment. It doesn't require money, it creates it. Because the less we own, the less we spend. And the less we spend, the more we keep.